Africa has some of the most fertile lands, producing high-quality mangoes, oranges, pineapples, and other fruits. With the growing demand for healthy and natural beverages, 100% fruit juice has massive potential in local and export markets. Hello, welcome to your favorite channel. Today's video will cover everything from sourcing, processing, packaging, machinery, and effective marketing strategies to launch and scale your fruit juice business in Africa. Let's start with mango juice production. The African mango juice industry is booming due to a high demand for natural fruit juices and the health benefits of mangoes. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. We will focus on local sourcing, the machinery you'll need, processing methods, and how to successfully market your juice locally and internationally, where and how to source mangoes for your business. The importance of quality control, choosing ripe, unbruised mangoes, seasonal considerations, and how to work around mango availability. To create high-quality mango juice, sourcing fresh, ripe mangoes is essential. You can partner with local farmers or set up contracts with large mango farms to ensure a steady supply during the season. Breakdown of machines. Mango washer ensures fruit is clean for processing. Mango peeling and destining machine removes skin and pits, preparing the mango for juicing. Pulping machine extracts mango pulp from the flesh. Juice pasteurizer ensures juice is bacteria-free and has a longer shelf life. Bottling machine fills bottles or containers with the final product. Labeling machine adds labels and branding to your bottles. The core of your business will be the processing plant. Depending on your budget, you can start with semi-industrial machines, which are cost-effective but efficient. We'll walk you through the purpose of each machine and how to operate them efficiently. Step-by-step guide on the mango juice production process. Sorting and washing mangoes, peeling, cutting, and removing the pit, extracting the pulp, filtering and refining the pulp into juice, pasteurizing the juice, adding preservatives if necessary, and bottling. Mango juice production is a straightforward process, but attention to hygiene, quality, and efficiency is crucial. Let's go step by step through the process, explaining each phase in detail. Importance of packaging in preserving freshness and extending shelf life. Labeling and branding your product for the market. Packaging is not just about containment, but also about branding and consumer perception. The right packaging will protect your product, attract customers, and extend the shelf life of your juice. We will discuss how to choose the right packaging materials based on your budget and target market. Africa is rich in tropical fruits like pineapples and oranges, which offer a massive opportunity for juice production. With increasing demand for fresh and healthy juices, there's never been a better time to capitalize on this growing market. In this video, we'll walk you through every aspect of launching your juice business, from sourcing and processing to marketing and scaling for export markets. Fruit juices, especially pineapple and orange, are a growing market due to their natural sweetness, health benefits, and versatility. Whether for local consumption or export, this market offers numerous opportunities for new entrants. The success of your juice business depends heavily on the quality of the fruits you source. Build strong relationships with farmers and establish contracts to ensure a steady supply of fresh fruits during harvest seasons. Equipment breakdown: fruit washing machine cleans the pineapples and oranges to remove dirt and contaminants. Pineapple peeling and coring machine prepares pineapples by removing the skin and core. Orange peeling and extractor machine peels and extracts juice from oranges. Juice extractor separates juice from the pulp for both fruits. Pasteurizer ensures the juice is safe for consumption by killing bacteria. Filling and packaging machine bottles the juice in your preferred containers. Depending on your budget, you can start with semi-automatic machines that are less expensive or invest in fully automated systems for higher production volumes. Each piece of equipment plays a critical role in maintaining efficiency and product quality. A step-by-step breakdown of the juice production process. Sorting. Remove any damaged or unripe fruits. Washing. Clean fruits thoroughly. Peeling. Remove the skin of both pineapples and oranges. Juicing. Use a juice extractor to get the pure juice. Filtering. Remove seeds, fibers, and pulp. Pasteurization. Heat the juice to kill bacteria and extend shelf life. Cooling. Quickly cool the juice after pasteurization. Packaging. Fill the bottles, label them, and seal them. Juice production is an intricate process that requires precision and attention to detail. Cleanliness, safety, and consistency are key to ensure that your juice tastes great and has a long shelf life. Packaging plays a dual role. It protects your product and acts as a marketing tool. We'll explore various packaging options and help you choose the best one for your target market, whether it's local consumers or export markets. Regulatory compliance is crucial for the long-term success of your juice business. From meeting local food safety standards to obtaining the necessary certifications for export, we'll walk you through the process of staying compliant. A strong marketing strategy is key to your success. We'll explore digital marketing tactics and traditional distribution strategies that can help your brand grow locally and internationally. Once you have built a solid brand locally, exporting your juice to international markets can significantly increase your revenue. We'll guide you on how to scale your business and access these profitable markets. Before diving into your juice business, it's important to understand the financial side. We'll provide budget estimates and tips on how to keep your operational costs low while maintaining high-quality products. Every business faces challenges, and the juice industry is no different. From seasonal fruit shortages to competition, we'll discuss how to overcome these obstacles and build a resilient business. The mango, pineapple, and orange juice making business presents a unique opportunity in Africa due to the abundance of tropical fruits, favorable climatic conditions, and growing global demand for natural, healthy beverages. Here's a more in-depth breakdown to help you navigate the key aspects of this business mango supply. Varieties. Different mango varieties are suitable for juice production. The Kent, Tommy Atkins, and Hayden varieties are popular due to their sweetness and low fiber content. Seasonality. Mangoes are seasonal fruits typically harvested between October and March in most African countries. Understanding the mango seasonality and possibly freezing pulp for off-season production will help maintain consistency. Sourcing strategy. Build partnerships with local farmers or cooperatives to ensure you get high-quality, ripe mangoes at the best price. You can also consider setting up a mini processing plant close to mango-growing regions to cut down on transportation costs. Pineapple supply, varieties. The smooth cayenne variety is most commonly used for juice production due to its sweet flavor and high juice content. Seasonality. Pineapples are available year-round in many African countries, but peak seasons usually occur between April and June. Consistent supply during the peak season is crucial to manage costs and maintain production levels. Sourcing strategy. Like mangoes, building direct relationships with farmers and establishing long-term contracts will help you secure the best pineapples at optimal prices. Varieties. Oranges like Valencia and Navel are commonly used for juice due to their sweet and juicy nature. Seasonality. Oranges are typically available from May to October in Africa, though this depends on the region. Sourcing strategy. Establish relationships with citrus farmers and co-ops. As with mangoes and pineapples, contracts or agreements for a regular supply are essential. Each fruit has a slightly different juice extraction process, so your equipment needs to be tailored accordingly. A juice business can be capital-intensive depending on the scale. Initial investments include machinery. Semi-industrial setups can start with $10,000 to $50,000 for machines, while industrial setups may require $100,000 plus. With proper management and marketing, profit margins in the juice-making industry can range from 15% to 35%. High demand. especially for premium natural juices, ensures that well-positioned brands can grow rapidly. By focusing on quality, adhering to food safety regulations, and employing innovative marketing strategies, a mango, pineapple, and orange juice business in Africa can be highly profitable. In conclusion, starting a mango, pineapple, and orange juice business in Africa is a promising opportunity with significant market potential, thanks to the abundance of raw materials, rising demand for healthier beverages, and export possibilities. With the right machinery, a clear production process, strategic packaging, and effective marketing, you can establish a successful juice brand that caters to both local and international markets. As you embark on this journey, remember that the key to success lies in persistence, quality, and innovation. Africa's rich agricultural resources provide a solid foundation for your business, and with growing trends toward natural, healthy products, now is the perfect time to tap into this market. With passion, hard work, and a clear vision, you have the power to build a thriving juice business that not only generates profits, but also contributes to healthier living across the continent and beyond. Go for it.